Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a quick and simple mod that you can do to your cooler at home. We're going to be working with a Cooler Master Master Air MA610P cooler, and we're going to be doing a bit of painting on the fan shrouds and then using some vinyl wrap on the center section. The first step is to remove the fans from the cooler and then remove the central section from the roof. Next, we're going to prise the fans out of their housings. So you're going to look for these little tabs and then you can unclip them one by one. These sections I'm going to be painting silver, but first we need to give it a good primer coating. I say 1 coat is fine for an internal component, then we're going to look for maybe 3 coats of the silver paint. Then once it's dried, about half an hour, pop the fans back in and they're ready to go. Next, we're going to be vinyl wrapping the center section. So to do this, we're going to need some tools. We're going to use a heat gun, a squeegee, a craft knife, and of course the vinyl itself. Set the temperature of your heat gun to about 120 degrees. If you don't have digital control, that's a sort of a medium-low heat. Next, we're going to want to apply the vinyl. So you want to push it over slowly and make sure that there's no creases or anything catching on it. We're going to use some heat and the squeegee to help fill the gaps and smooth it around the outside. It's best to do this nice and slowly, sort of tugging on the sides of the vinyl. It will stretch a little bit, but make sure you don't stretch it too much or you'll lose the pattern. With the vinyl wrapped around the edges, it's time to cut away the excess. You can use your craft knife to cut a little bit off the edge, leaving the last bit so that we can smooth it fully later. Next, use the craft knife to trim the edges so that it's nice and neat. This particular cooler has RGB components in it, so we're going to be cutting the slits in the relevant areas so that the lighting can show through. In case the wrap has picked up any dirt or grease whilst you've been doing it, you can always give it a wipe down with some acetone, which will clean up all that grime out of there. Finally, we can reattach the lid and the fans, and the mod is done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.